Oh my gosh, look. Sissy, look, it's kicking and stuff.
He looks like he has a wiener.
See her smiling? You can see her eyes, her face.
Oh.
He has a wiener.
See her just
No, you can't see that. That could be the umbilical cord side.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to tell, but I'm gonna play around. See the backbone?
Yep.
That's the spine. The
Oh.
brain. You can see
The
the face
nose.
really good. The legs.
Yep.
Wow, that's cool.
Just moving around. And let's see. Here's the other one. Oh.
They're laying different
See the
ways.
hands?
Yeah, the head's to the right.
Oh my God.
Yeah, they
look at their fingers.
He's squished.
So this one's baby B, the one on the bottom.
Oh my God.
And this one up at the top is baby A. That one is a baby, will be a baby.
Oh.
No, I think, no, I'm backwards. The one on bottom is baby A.
Baby
Because it'll be coming out first.
Okay.
And then baby B.
Oh.
Look at that hand.
My gosh.
The arm.
Oh my gosh, you can see all the fingers and stuff. How sweet.
And the little flickering.
Is the heart?
Yep.
They're both going?
Mm-hmm. That's the head.
There's his brain.
Yep. It's like a butterfly.
Oh my.
You see them both together there.
And so,
It looks like it's got a sack between them.
right. But could they feel each other through that, you think?
Oh yeah. Oh, look at that one. Yeah,
Look at his feet.
I know.
I try not to get so excited, but I'm really moving.
Oh,
God.
that sweet baby. Wow.
That is so.
see,
You
up
see the
there,
heart?
See his heart?
You see it, sister?
Yes.
Oh.
All over. But I can't feel him yet.
Probably because he's still too small.
Probably when you get
Oh
it
my
out.
God, look.
Like 17, 18 weeks, isn't it when you start feeling them?
Yeah, probably about 15 weeks. But it almost feels like little butterflies when you start feeling them.
That's what I always heard, but mine didn't feel like butterflies.
Or some people say gas pain.
Yeah.
Gas.
Yeah.
Oh, he's just moving.
And you wonder if that's what it is when you're feeling it for the
Yeah.
first time.
Yeah.
Well, I didn't doubt when mine moved the first time. It felt like they got up, crawled up, and balled up in a knot,
Mm-hmm.
like contractions.
Yeah.
He's moving all
Get hard.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what I felt
Yeah.
with all mine.
How sweet. That one on top. Look at that one. He just keeps moving. You see his little fingers?
Did you drink something sweet?
I had Sprite. Did I make him hyper?
Uh-huh. Did it make them jump?
That's so funny.
Oh, I just put my fingers in front of the
Oh,
body.
look at the baby. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Is it sucking its thumb?
It looks like it.
Oh. Look.
Wow. I know.
At least it's got the hand up close. Sometimes you can see them actually, their mouth moving, and you can see them sucking it.
Look at his little heart.
Look at
His
his hand.
hand just opened up.
Yes, up here on his eye.
So Tammy, you can't tell what neither one of them are?
See how they're laying?
Yeah.
I'm gonna kind of move around and see if I can. But sometimes if they're